Do you feel your strength slipping away? Like no matter how much you exercise, your muscles keep disappearing. You're not alone. After age 60, our bodies naturally start losing muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. This isn't just about lifting weights. It affects your balance, your confidence, and your independence. But what if I told you there's a simple bedtime habit that could slow down or even reverse this process? Something so easy you can do tonight, right before you go to sleep, that helps your muscles repair, grow, and stay strong while you rest? Today, we're going to show you exactly what seniors should eat before bed to protect their muscles, boost energy, and maintain independence so you can wake up feeling stronger, healthier, and ready to enjoy life to the fullest. Feeling weak, muscles shrinking after sarcopenia equals natural muscle loss. Start tonight to protect your strength. Regain energy and independence. Problem explained. As we age, our muscles naturally lose strength and mass, sometimes as much as 3 to 8% per decade. After age 60, this process, called sarcopenia, doesn't just affect how much you can lift, it impacts your balance, mobility, and independence. Even if you exercise regularly, your muscles can continue to decline if your nutrition isn't supporting them, especially at night. When your body is supposed to repair itself, here's the science. During sleep, your body enters repair mode. Muscles need protein and other essential nutrients to rebuild and stay strong. Without the right nutrition before bed, your body may start breaking down muscle tissue for energy, accelerating the loss of strength and increasing the risk of falls, fatigue, and injuries. Muscle loss after 60 equals 3 to 8% per decade. Weaker body gives less balance, gives higher risk of falls. Poor nighttime nutrition equals muscle breakdown. Additional visuals, animation, night scene showing the body's repair mode versus breakdown without nutrients. Slow pan of senior looking frustrated, then looking concerned at a chart of muscle loss. Solution introduced. The solution is simpler than you think. Eating a protein-rich snack before bed can stimulate muscle protein synthesis overnight. That means your muscles get the fuel they need to repair and grow even while you sleep. Best before bed foods for seniors. Greek yogurt, slow digesting casein protein, provides steady supply of amino acids overnight. Cottage cheese keeps muscles fed while you sleep. A handful of nuts, almonds or walnuts, provide healthy fats and protein. Milk, classic choice, contains casein protein to help muscle repair. Protein shake optional, light. Low sugar shake if you prefer liquids before bed. Greek yogurt equals slow digesting protein. Cottage cheese equals muscle fuel. Nuts equals healthy fats plus protein. Milk equals muscle repair. Protein shake equals optional convenience. Explanation: when you eat slow digesting protein before bed, like cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, or milk, your body steadily releases amino acids throughout the night. These amino acids are the building blocks your muscles need to repair tiny damage caused by daily activity, prevent muscle breakdown, and even build new fibers. Research shows that seniors who include a pre-sleep protein snack preserve significantly more muscle mass over time. That means stronger arms, steadier legs, and better balance, helping you stay independent longer. And when you pair this with light evening stretches or strength exercises, your muscles use those amino acids even more effectively. It's like giving your body the tools it needs to rebuild stronger while you rest. Slow digesting protein equals steady amino acids overnight. Muscle repair plus preservation equals stronger strength. Combine with light evening exercise equals maximum results. Science-backed equals protects muscle mass in seniors. Practical tips. Here's how to make this bedtime habit effective and easy to follow. Eat 20 to 30 grams of protein before bed. Protein fuels muscle repair and growth overnight. A moderate portion is enough to stimulate muscle synthesis without feeling too heavy. Keep it light and easy to digest. Avoid fried foods, rich sauces, or large meals before bed. Stick to easy to digest options like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or milk. Pair protein with a small portion of healthy fats or carbs. Add a handful of nuts, seeds, or a small portion of fruit. This helps nutrient absorption and keeps you full without disrupting sleep. Stay consistent, make it a nightly habit. Consistency is key. Regular nightly protein ensures long-term benefits for energy, mobility, and independence. 20 to 30 grams protein equals muscle repair overnight. Keep it light equals better sleep. Pair with healthy fats. Carbs equals max absorption. Consistency equals stronger muscles over time. Imagine waking up each morning feeling strong, confident, and full of energy, ready to enjoy the day without worrying about weakness or fatigue. Muscle loss doesn't have to define your later years. By simply adding the right snack before bed, you give your body the fuel it needs to repair and grow stronger. Overnight, every small step you take, tonight every bite of protein, every healthy choice is up. This is your opportunity to protect your strength, maintain your independence, and enjoy life to the fullest. Picture yourself lifting your grandchild, going for that evening walk, or moving around your home with confidence. It all starts with one simple habit tonight. Protect your strength, maintain your independence, enjoy life fully. One habit tonight equals stronger tomorrow. Start tonight. Make it a habit. Your muscles, your independence, and your vitality are worth it. Try this simple bedtime snack. Share your results in the comments below, and subscribe for more tips to help you stay strong, active, and full of life.